In this video, I will show you how to create an event on Facebook. If this guide helps, please consider subscribing and liking it so others can find it too. First, you want to find Facebook on your phone and open it. Once you have opened it, you are going to find the menu on the bottom right corner and tap it. Once you have tapped it, you will see Events and click that. In the Events page, you will see a plus symbol on the top right corner. Click it and add the details in for your event. You can add the event name, the start date and time. Is it in person or virtual? And you can add details for your event. And it's that simple to create an event and invite others to join in. If this video helped, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like.